Are you paying $700, $900, or even over $1,200 a month on a car right now? If yes, you're not alone. In late 2025 going into 2026, the average new car payment hit a record $767 per month, and that's just the loan. Add insurance, gas, and repairs, you're easily looking at $1,200 to $1,500 monthly for many families. But here's what nobody at the dealership wants you to hear. This isn't normal. It's a carefully designed car payment trap that's keeping millions of hardworking Americans broke, stressed, and stuck in debt for years. Today, I'm breaking it all down: how it works, why it's worse than ever, and exactly how to escape it before it ruins your wealth. Let's start with the numbers. New cars are averaging close to $50,000. Trucks and SUVs? Even higher. With interest rates still hovering around 6 to 7% for good credit, dealers are pushing longer and longer loans. 72 months, 84 months, that's 7 years, and even some pushing toward 100 months. Why? Because stretching the loan drops your monthly payment from something scary like $1,200 down to only $800 or $900. It feels affordable until you realize you're paying tens of thousands extra in interest and driving a car that's worth way less than what you owe. Example, say you finance a $55,000 truck at 6 to 7% interest. On a normal 5-year loan, payments would be brutal. Stretch it to 7 years, suddenly it's around $800 per month. But you'll pay way more overall, and for years 3 through 6, you're often upside down. This creates the classic negative equity trap. Your truck loses value quick, but your loan balance doesn't. So when you want a newer one in 3 to 4 years, dealers say, no problem. We'll just roll that $8,000 to $10,000 negative equity into the next loan. Boom, now you're deeper in debt, with an even longer term. It's a cycle that turns you into a customer for life. Think about it. Teachers, nurses, factory workers, and regular middle-class families are making this work. But how? Many are sacrificing everything else. They're downsizing their home, eating cheap, skipping vacations, or working a second gig. Some even pull from their 401k for down payments or repairs, literally trading future retirement for today's wheels. Others have 2 or 3 car payments in one household. I've seen families where the car bills cost more than their mortgage. And don't get me started on the hidden costs. Insurance can run $200 to $500 per month, gas another $300 to $400 if you're in a gas guzzler, and repairs on modern trucks? One transmission job can set you back $5,000 plus. Over 7 years, that affordable $800 payment can easily turn into over $130,000 total, spent on something worth maybe $15,000 at the end. That's not transportation, that's wealth destruction. A lot of this comes down to what I call Automotive Stockholm syndrome. We tie our identity to the car. Marketing sells the truck as freedom, status, or the reliable family hauler. Dealerships train salespeople to always talk in monthly payments, not total cost. They throw in free warranties or low-rate promos that are often baked into a higher sticker price. But the truth? A car is a depreciating asset. It's not an investment. The system is rigged to keep you paying forever. So what do you do if you're already in the trap? Or want to avoid it? Stop thinking in monthly payments. Always ask, what's the total cost? Negotiate the out-the-door price first, not the payment. Buy used instead of new. Or better, pay cash for a reliable 3 to 5-year-old car. You'll avoid the biggest depreciation hit. If you're stuck, look into refinancing your current loan. With some Fed rate cuts happening, you might lower your rate or payment without extending the term further. Shop credit unions and online lenders. Many offer better deals than the dealership. Break the cycle. Make extra principal payments when you can. Sell the car privately if you're not too upside down and downsize to something cheaper. Avoid rolling negative equity. Long-term mindset. Follow the rule. Your total car expenses, payment plus insurance plus gas plus maintenance, should be no more than 10 to 15% of your take-home pay. Build an emergency fund so one breakdown doesn't force more debt. If you invested that $800 per month instead at a conservative 7 to 8% return, in 7 years, you'd have a serious chunk of change building real wealth, not sitting in a driveway.